Herbal Oil Fusion is a deeply nourishing therapy that blends the healing power of traditional herbs with carefully selected natural oils to restore balance to the body and mind. This treatment begins with warm, aromatic herbal oils infused with ingredients such as ginger, neem, eucalyptus, basil, and turmeric, each known for its therapeutic benefits. As the oil is gently massaged into the skin, it penetrates deeply to soothe tired muscles, improve circulation, and support the body's natural detox process. The fusion of herbs works holistically to relieve stress, ease joint stiffness, and calm nervous tension while nourishing the skin with essential nutrients. The natural aroma of the herbs creates a grounding and comforting atmosphere, helping the mind slow down and release mental fatigue. Herbal Oil Fusion is ideal for those seeking a natural, restorative experience that connects ancient wellness traditions with modern relaxation needs. After the session, the body feels lighter, the muscles more flexible, and the senses refreshed with a lasting sense of calm, warmth, and renewed energy.